And मीर साहब, similar, like इस show के पीछे भी आपका कोई vision था इसी तरह का? Can you explain कि वो vision क्या है?
Simple vision, the aspirations and the inspiration I got from when I came here. कि यार the spirit of togetherness. कि जब मिल के काम करते हैं. Let's talk about, for example, one example. अगर business की बात करें, motivation की बात करें, I went to IFA. There's so many award shows happening here. Hollywood, Bollywood, Lollywood. And then I thought कि यार ये सारे superstars हैं, लेकिन कभी अगर मिल के काम करें, like Hollywood का star, some Bollywood actors, actresses, they go there sometimes, but then a project together which has some positive message as well. So I started thinking about it. अपने सारे partners को बिठाया, मैंने कहा यार यहाँ की अपनी movie industry launch करनी है, क्योंकि यहाँ जब आते हैं again religion, politics, nationalities, वो सारी चीजें जो है ना, beyond that, people work together and they've done some amazing things in businesses. Why can't we do in the, for example, in movie industry? Because that's the one area your face is known all over the world. The word you say has more impact than any other person.
See, I believe one thing is nothing will, you cannot be selfish. It's all with collaboration. And till you don't collaborate, as you said, in business, in work, you come together, you work. Like all the departments get focused to an actor which conveys to the audience. But there is a cameraman who shoots the actor. There's a director who advises the cameraman. There's sound. There's makeup. There's costume. There's what you wear. Yes, the actor takes the onus of carrying that and ultimately conveying that to the audience.